Hello guys, this is how to replace your outdoor wall lantern. So I'm gonna replace this with a new one, and you basically want to unscrew these main switches, screws here, and then take it off. So basically I'll unscrew and do the same on the other side. Now remember, before you do anything, make sure that your main switch is turned off. There's a switch that turns on these bulbs on, and there's the main switch. So you have to go back there and make sure you switch off before you do anything. Come right here, open this up, and locate where your lighting is, outside lighting, which is this. I've already turned it off. Make sure you check your lights if they're on and off. If they're on after turning this, maybe this is not the right one, but I've already taken care of that, so this is the correct one. Just to make sure, if you have a tester like I do, you can basically make use of a tester and just check if there's any power connected through. So if you see here, we have 3 wires. This one which is black, this one which is white, and this one which is naked, which is basically going to be the earth. So when you connect with the new one, make sure that you basically do the same thing. So what I'm gonna do is, you see those yellow caps, I'm gonna unscrew those yellow caps and as I do that, basically I'm exposing the other wire, which comes off easily. Take it off and put it aside. Do the same thing to the remaining caps, and you'll be ready to install the new lantern. So therefore, this is how it's gonna look like after you expose everything. This is my old lantern. It's pretty good looking. I probably will want to maybe people sell this one. I don't want to throw it away. It's pretty good. It's good. So I'm gonna replace this one with a brand new one. The reason why I'm changing this is because I want one which has a bulb. I'm basically replacing this one. You can see that it has sensor right here. This sensor is the sensor that helps with down and dusk auto sensor. So basically that's. So since I have my own components, I want to put this component in there, and I'm gonna take off the one that is there already. I'm gonna take this one off and replace this. So let's do that. Just to make everything fast, I'm gonna use this. So finally, this is how it's gonna look like after installing. And how I have this level spirit, so I just want to make sure that this is balanced. So just to make sure this aligns up with the spirit level. It should be horizontal. You don't want your lantern to be slanting. I may have to adjust mine just to make sure that it is basically aligned. So next, just make sure you isolate all these wires. They have different color codes. So make sure the white is gonna go with the white, the black is gonna go with the black, and the earth is gonna go with the earth. So let me take you up there. So basically, make sure you screw the white from the wall to the white on your new lantern. And also I have now my neutral. I'm gonna connect this, but before this goes in, I'm gonna connect it on this wall. We'll play this green part in here. I'll unscrew it a little bit, push this wire in before I combine it here. So watch. So lastly, I just need to connect this wire to this and lock it up with this, just like the rest. So everything looks good, connected everything. You can see this way is the exposed wire, even though it has a color kinda, but basically it's exposed wire. And then this white has gone with the white, then the black, which is already inside, has gone with the black, which is already inside there, as you can see. Now the next thing is to hook up the lantern to the wall. So watch, but also don't forget to push these wires inside here. Push these wires in there. So guys, this is how, after replacing my lights, this is how they look like. I have basically put a red bulb in there. It's pretty good. And I can show you another one. I have done at least 4 of them. This one is a green light, as you can see right here. It's a green light. And I have one more, which is the red one over there. So that's good. So that one, this one, and we take you again, and that one over there. Oh, and there's another one. There's another one on the side. Probably I should go show you that one real quick. This one right here, and this one over there, and that one over there.